In this video, I'm going to show you how to find my Skrill account number. So if you are going to use Skrill and you are going to use your account number, Skrill actually is going to require you, or the others would require you, this Skrill account number. Here in Skrill though, it's not called account number, instead it's called customer ID. So to find it, you just have to head over here to your profile, and once you do so, you should be able to see here your name as well as the customer ID, also known as the account number. So yeah, you can just go ahead and basically use this one for whatever purpose you're gonna be doing so. Now if you need more information such as your personal details, you can just head over down below, click that one over there, and you should be able to see these. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get your customer ID or your account number here in Skrill. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider hitting that like button down below. Consider also subscribing to the channel, and please feel free to share your comments down below.